Hi friends, welcome to our channel Global Health Helpline. Today we will learn about a homeopathic medicine Veretram Album from the book Keynotes and Characteristics with comparisons of some of the leading remedies of the meteria medica by H.C. Allen. Please subscribe our channel to be connected with us and give a like to this video. Let's begin. Veretram Album. While Hellebore. Melanthaceæ. For children and old people, the extremes of life, persons who are habitually cold and deficient in vital reaction, young people of a nervous sanguine temperament. Adapted to diseases with rapid sinking of the vital forces, complete prostration, collapse. Cold perspiration on the forehead, over entire body, tabicum, with nearly all complaints. Cannot bear to be left alone. Yet persistently refuses to talk. Thinks she is pregnant or will soon be delivered. Mania with desire to cut and tear everything, especially clothes, like tarantula, with lewd, lascivious talk, amorous or religious, like hysteria, stramonium. Closing parenthesis. Attacks of fainting from least exertion, like carbo, veg and sulfur, excessive weakness. Sinking feeling during hemorrhage, fainting, like trillium. Sensation of a lump of ice on vertex, with chilliness, like sepia. As of heat and cold at same time on scalp, as if brain were torn to pieces. Face, pale, blue, collapsed, features sunk dean, Hippocratic, red while lying, becomes pale on rising up, like Achan. Thirst, intense, unquenchable, for large quantities of very cold water and acid drinks. Wants everything cold. Craving for acids or refreshing things, like phosphoric acid. Ice coldness, a face, tip of nose, feet, legs, hands, arms, and many other parts. Cold feeling in abdomen, colch, tab. Closing parenthesis. Violent vomiting with profuse diarrhea. Vomiting. Excessive with nausea and great prostration, aggravate by drinking, like arsenic, by least motion, like tabicum, great weakness after. Cutting pain in abdomen as from knives. Cholera, vomiting and purging, stool, profuse, watery, gushing, prostrating, after fright, like aconite. Diarrhea, frequent, greenish, watery, gushing, mixed with flakes, cutting colic, with cramps commencing in hands and feet and spreading all over. Prostrating, after fright, aggravate by least movement, with vomiting, cold sweat on forehead during and prostration after, like arsenic and tabicum. Constipation. No desire, stool large, hard, like bryonia and sulfur. In round, black balls, like chelidonium, opium and plumbum, from inactive rectum, frequent desire felt in epigastrium, like ignetia, in rectum like nux, painful, of infants and children, after lycopodium, and nux vomica. Dysmenorrhea, with vomiting and purging, or exhausting diarrhea with cold sweat, like ammonium carbonicum and bovista, is so weak can scarcely stand for 2 days at each menstrual nisus, like alumina, carboanimalis and cocculus. Bad effects of opium eating, tobacco chewing. Pains in the limbs during wet weather, getting worse from warmth abed, better by continued walking. In congestive or pernicious intermittent fever, with extreme coldness, thirst, face cold and collapsed. Skin cold and clammy, great prostration, cold sweat on forehead and deathly pallor on face. Relations. After, arsenic, arnica, cinchona, cuprum, ipecache. After camphora in cholera and cholera morbu. After ammon carbo veg and bovista, in dysmenorrhea with vomiting and purging. Aggravation. From least motion, after drinking, before and during menses, during stool, when perspiring, after fright. Often removes bad effects of excessive use of alcohol and Thanks for watching full video. Please give a like to this video, comment us to improve our services and share it for the help of people who do not know the proper homeopathy.